Do you ever feel sleep deprived without the party or hungover without the fun? If you do, there's a very good chance you are suffering from brain fog, and I should know because I had a major stroke in 2009, and since then I have had a lot of brain fog. But there's some things I've learnt. I know about the symptoms now. I know how I can fix it. I know how I can fix it fast, and I also know how I can prevent it. So I'd like to share some of that with you now. There's lots of reasons why brain fog happens. It might be that you've had COVID recently, or maybe you are a long COVID sufferer. Maybe you've got stress in your life, you've got a very stressful job, or maybe you have anxiety. These are things which have an impact on the brain, and that brings brain fog. In my case, I suffered a stroke and I'm also going through menopause. So this is why I like to share with you some of the things that I've learnt in my journey to try and fix my brain fog. Some of the symptoms you might be suffering from are that you just cannot focus on what you need to focus on, or you're doing things which are really silly and you're embarrassed because you've just done something that everyone's looking at and rolling their eyes over. You just feel like your brain processing is down, similar to a computer that you might get rid of because it's just not working fast enough. It's the same with your brain. Everything's on the go slow. You just can't seem to focus or concentrate on anything. And that leads to you losing confidence in your day-to-day. And that is not great. So I'm going to help you understand how you can try to fix some of the issues that you might be suffering from. It's no good struggling day to day. So if you are suffering from brain fog, there's a good chance at the moment you might be a little bit foggy. So I'm going to try and make it very easy for you. Number one, go to the kitchen, get yourself a lovely big glass of water and drink it all down. Number two, get yourself something really nice to eat, like, I don't know, avocado on toast with a salad on the side and an egg on top. Absolutely gorgeous, full of really healthy fats, lots and lots of vitamins. That will help you fix some of the issues that you might be suffering from. Then go to bed, have a sleep for an hour, really relax, really chill out, no shenanigans. And that might mean that you can fix your brain fog fast. But if you're still suffering and if you're still struggling, if that didn't work, then make sure you watch the rest of this video because I've got some great tips for you. But in the meantime, let's go outside. I ask myself, am I getting outside enough? It's really important to get out into the sunlight for a start, to feel the weather, to get the oxygen, to get the exercise. All of these things, all of these reasons are reason enough to get outside. It can help clear the brain, clear the mist, clear the fog, and it feels amazing. Getting out on the trails is fantastic as well. You can increase your adrenaline through the excitement of running or doing some kind of exercise, and it means that that helps clear the brain as well. Adrenaline is fantastic for changing your mood, clearing that brain fog and making you feel better. So if ever you're feeling low, definitely get outside, get the sun on your skin, get the wind in your hair, do some exercise, you'll feel great. Then I have to be honest and ask myself, am I drinking too much alcohol? Am I eating too many carbs? And other naughty but nice things. These can lead to excess glucose in the blood and inflammation that can cause brain fog. Even cereals and some processed foods can do the same. Avoiding bad oils is also wise, while eating a range of colourful veg, greens, herbs, healthy proteins and good fats. A high quality vitamin that's bioavailable and not synthetic also helps, as does occasionally fasting, which helps to clear the digestion and the brain. And that leads me on to my third tip. Rest, de-stress and recharge. Meditate, sleep, remove toxic people from your life, Read, have fun, laugh, jump in the sea, and plan a trip that you look forward to. Do what you love and what makes you feel great. This helps remove the fog and potential for mental paralysis from stress. Pick on one of those things that really resonated to you and see if you can do it over the next few weeks. Measure how it makes you feel and decide if you want to pick up something else. If you've found some ways to stop brain fog fast, I'd love to hear them. So drop them in the comments below and subscribe so we can stay in touch.